Hey guys, I'll be showcasing you one of our safety boxes that we sell on our online store. I would like to apologize for the dent because we're using a reject unit for this video. So rest assured that the paint job on our regular unit is well done. Anyway, this video is a tutorial for our buyers on how to set up this unit and get it ready for use immediately. Let's get into it. These will be the dimensions for the safety box. It's made out of steel, so it's slightly heavy. This safety box can be mounted if you prefer it that way. We need to open the safety box first using the master key provided so we can set up the password. You can always open with your master key by passing the inputting of password. The password setup just makes it easier for you to access your stuff. Once opened, you can expect the following inclusions like free batteries, manual for setup, the master key, and screws if you want to mount your safety box. For us to set up the password, we need to power it up first by putting in the batteries. Once done, click the red button on the side, signaling the unit that you will input your passcode. Input your desired 3-digit passcode, then click letter B. And if you guys want to change the password, you just need to repeat the whole process again. That's it for now, guys. If you have any more questions regarding how to set up this safety box, feel free to comment down below. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.